What's up? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you guys have by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I got this mermaid unicorn purple to pink, lavender to pink hair, and I just threw some curls in it, and this is the final product. And if I say so myself, I think this is pretty darn cute. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So this is what the wig is looking like right now. Obviously, I made the wig already, and the hair is just like a yellow brassy color. And I don't want to tone the hair because like I've been watching a lot of videos, and like when people tone it, it make the hair turn gray, and I don't want the hair to pick up any other color but the colors that I want it to pick up. So I'm about to go ahead and tone these roots because like who's doing this? Not me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit these roots real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so right now I'm sectioning off the hair that won't be getting dark rooted, so I'm just putting that in a ponytail right now, and then we're going to proceed with the coloring. And the color that I used was the color Tango by Wella in the color 7B, and I used the 20 volume developer as always, and I just mixed it in the bowl until it was a nice thick consistency. So now I'm just taking the color and I'm applying it to the roots of the hair, and in a minute you're going to see that I actually made a mistake and took the color down way too far. This is my first time darkening roots, and so I wasn't really sure how to do it, but I took the color down too far. So you just want to make sure that you keep it at least a half an inch to an inch from the root of the hair. You see, like that's way too far down, but I only did that for this section only. I fixed my mistake, but in the end you couldn't even really tell that I made a mistake, so that's the good thing about it. So now I'm just taking that same color and applying it to the lace so that I can get any blonde knots that I missed and making sure that everything is nice and coated. And this is how it came out after I washed it out. It is so pretty. I really love this color. So these are the colors that I use, lavender and soft lavender from Adore, and I did the lavender color first. And I'm really just going to let y'all see what I did because I don't really know how to explain all of this that's going on at one time. But I just want to put a disclaimer out there. This ponytail method may not be the best for dyeing this hair because I did end up with a blonde patch in the middle, but I ended up fixing it. Even though it was a little lighter than the rest of the hair, once the hair was all done and dyed, you weren't able to see like my mistake. See, here's that blonde patch I was talking about. So I just re-dipped it in the purple and it came out fine. Yeah. So here I just wanted to show y'all that I ended up putting the entire wig in the pink dye just in case any blonde hair was still blonde. I just rather it be pink than blonde. So I just dipped the whole wig in there and it gave it a better ombre effect actually because it blended with the purple. And this is how it looked after I washed it out and conditioned it and all of that good stuff. I just let it air dry.
And now I'm hot combing my parts so that I can begin plucking it a little bit.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys understood everything that I did. And the last thing I showed y'all was the wand curls, and so when I put it on, I wasn't really liking the wand curls, so I just took a curling iron and I just like went over some of the curls in the front to make it look like this. But that's pretty much it. Let me know down below what other colors y'all want me to try, what other brands y'all want me to try, because I always try Adore, so maybe I should try a different company this time. But y'all comment down any colors or any products, anything like that down below, and I will check those out and potentially do them. But as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not following me on Instagram already, go ahead and follow me at DejaJanaeXO. And I think that's it. So I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.